Just driving by on my way to work. Looks like a skeleton over there now. She's not giving it up easy. There's a lot of steel girders in there. Yep, that was well built at one time. There were also two pretty large outback buildings back behind this. I think one was a garage and the other one could have been like a dorm room or something. It was a 3-story, one below ground, or at least one below ground, because there was windows at ground level. And there was a really cool gazebo on the other side of this big structure. I'd have loved to have had the roof off of that thing. It was really cool shingles. I think they were made out of copper. Anyway, just driving into work. Thought I'd stop and check this out. Probably gonna take them a little while